Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your one-stop shop for all things interior and exterior design. Today, we'll share with you the innovative backyard landscaping ideas without grass for stylish outdoor space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The traditional green lawn, once the quintessential symbol of the American backyard, is increasingly being challenged by a growing desire for low-maintenance, eco-friendly, and visually striking outdoor spaces. Backyard landscaping without grass offers a multitude of possibilities to create a unique and personalized oasis. Today, we delve into the world of grassless backyards, exploring the concept, its advantages, design strategies, and plant selections to inspire your own outdoor transformation. Backyard landscaping without grass involves designing and creating an outdoor space that replaces traditional lawn with alternative materials and plants. This approach focuses on functionality, aesthetics, and sustainability, offering a departure from the high-maintenance demands of grass care. By eliminating the need for mowing, watering, and fertilizing, homeowners can enjoy more free time and reduce their environmental impact. What are the benefits of choosing backyard landscaping ideas without grass? Embracing a grassless backyard presents a myriad of advantages. Primarily, it significantly reduces maintenance efforts, saving time and resources. Additionally, it contributes to water conservation as grass lawns often require substantial watering. Furthermore, a grass-free backyard can enhance biodiversity by attracting pollinators and beneficial insects. The aesthetic appeal is another key benefit, as it allows for creative and personalized designs that reflect your unique style. What are the best plants for backyard landscaping ideas without grass? Choosing the right plants is essential for a thriving grassless backyard. Opt for low-maintenance, drought-tolerant species that suit your local climate and soil conditions. Ground covers like creeping phlox, ivy, or sedum offer excellent alternatives to grass, providing color and texture. Consider incorporating ornamental grasses, shrubs, and flowering plants for visual interest. If you prefer edible landscaping, herbs, vegetables, and fruit-bearing plants can be incorporated into your design. How do I decorate my backyard landscaping ideas without grass to look great? Transforming your backyard into a stunning grassless oasis requires careful planning and design. Consider incorporating a variety of elements to create visual interest and functionality. Hardscaping materials such as patios, pathways, and retaining walls can define spaces and provide structure. Incorporate water features like ponds or fountains for a soothing ambience. Select plants that complement your design style and thrive in your local climate. Consider adding outdoor seating, lighting, and decorative accents to complete the look. And to complete your inspiration, here these the collection of the top 10 best backyard landscaping ideas without grass. 1. Gravel or stone patio. A versatile foundation for outdoor living. Incorporate comfortable seating, a fire pit, and perhaps a small outdoor kitchen for a complete entertainment area. 2. Deck with planters. Elevate your outdoor space with a raised deck. Add large planters filled with colorful flowers or aromatic herbs to create a vibrant atmosphere. 3. Courtyard garden. Transform a small backyard into a private oasis. Use vertical gardening, water features, and strategic plant placement to maximize space and create a sense of seclusion. 4. Japanese Zen garden. Find tranquility in minimalist design. Incorporate raked gravel, rocks, and carefully placed plants to create a serene and meditative space. 5. Mediterranean terrace. Embrace warmth and style with terracotta tiles, stone walls, and fragrant herbs like rosemary and lavender. Create a cozy seating area with cushioned outdoor furniture. 6. Rooftop garden. Maximize space and enjoy stunning views. Select drought-tolerant plants and incorporate raised planters for a practical and stylish rooftop oasis. 7. Vegetable or herb garden. Grow your own fresh produce in raised beds or containers. Create a visually appealing garden by using a variety of plants with different heights, colors, and textures. 8. Woodland garden. Create a natural oasis with shade-loving plants like ferns, hostas, and wildflowers. Add a winding path, a small pond, or a cozy bench to enhance the woodland atmosphere. 9. Desert landscape. Embrace drought-tolerant beauty with cacti, succulents, and native plants. Incorporate rocks, gravel, and desert-inspired decor for an authentic look. 10. Combination garden. Blend different elements to create a unique and personalized space. Combine hardscaping features, water elements, and a variety of plants to create a dynamic and visually interesting garden. By embracing the concept of backyard landscaping without grass, you can create an outdoor space that is not only visually appealing but also environmentally friendly and low maintenance. With careful planning and the right plant selections, you can transform your backyard into a personal retreat that reflects your individual style and enhances your quality of life. To discover more inspiring backyard design ideas and expert advice, subscribe to our Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel. We offer a wealth of resources to help you create the outdoor living space of your dreams. Ready to embark on your grassless backyard journey? Start by assessing your space, considering your lifestyle, and exploring the countless possibilities. Let your imagination run wild and create an outdoor haven that you'll love spending time in. Share your backyard transformation with us on social media using the hashtag Homes Decor Designs. Remember, a beautiful backyard starts with a vision. Let's bring your outdoor dreams to life together. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.